Today we'll be making this wonderful recipe of carrot halwa, which is Delhi carrot. We'll not cook this carrot halwa with regular orange colored carrot. So we have taken red carrot, which is Delhi carrot. We have taken 500 grams of this Delhi carrot, peeled it and remove all the other thing which is not edible, and we'll grate this particular recipe to a full grating of these carrots. I'll show you how it is grating. Even size. See, this is the way we have to grate all the carrot. So you have to really take care of your back of your hand or palm so that it doesn't get scratched with this particular grater. You have to little be careful and do it. Safety first. I'll always ask my people to take care of their hand whenever they make this kind of recipe so that they don't get hurt while grating. The grating is done. Now I will take press. This is Hawkins Futura thick bottom pan, and we will put 2 tablespoons of ghee, and we'll fry the cashew and kismis together, ensuring that the cashew kismis doesn't burn. This you have to ensure, and we'll do the frying. The temperature is reached, and we'll fry the cashew nut and kismis. The cashew nut will become brown and the kismis will become fluffy, and you have to ensure that after becoming fluffy it should not get burned. If you should reduce the fire, you should reduce the fire and do it because it should not burn. So the temperature is hot, or you can see the fumes, so you can always control the fire and do it. And we'll remove the cashew and kismis in a separate bowl. Once done, we'll put carrot, all the carrots in this ghee, and we'll add sugar also together and cook the carrot halwa in the process of making carrot halwa. And we'll stir it so that it coats evenly all around with the sugar of this all the strands of the carrot halwa, or the carrot in the making of carrot halwa. Once this is evenly coated with the sugar, we'll cover and cook for 5 minutes. We'll put the cover now. After 5 minutes, you can see it has become really little softer side, but still it is not soft. You can see the strands. It is still, you can see the strands, and we'll again cover it and cook for another 5 minutes. And occasionally we'll remove and do this till you can see the carrot halwa has been become pulpy or little softer side. So this cover and closing and opening and stir frying this carrot occasionally. This is totally 15 minutes of time, not more than that. Again, we'll do the stir fry of this carrot, and you have to ensure that you don't put any liquid milk or anything in this stage. Also, we'll not make this carrot halwa with liquid milk or the dairy milk. You have to make it really soft and again cover it. So you can see it is slowly becoming or frying at the base of the pan, so that it's really become tender. So it is in the process of tender. You have to do this. It has should be becoming so tender. You'll see it. I will show you all together. We'll again stir it for some more time, and see, it is becoming little difficult to see the strands of the carrot. And again we'll stir fry it for some more time, and you can see this particular thing. See, the strands are becoming difficult to see now. So this is where we are focusing. It should not We should not be able to make out the strands. We'll do again the cover and cook it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we'll add the fried cashew nut and the kismis together, and we'll add the milk powder into this recipe. We are not using liquid milk. Liquid milk will take time to dry, so we are using only milk powder, and we will be cooking in this manner and ensure that milk powder dissolve evenly all around, and it becomes really the milk should be tasting in this particular carrot halwa. And we'll add cardamom, crushed cardamom powder to this carrot halwa, and after this we'll remove it. You can see how mushy or the carrot this carrot strand you are not able to see now. So this way we have to make it, and then we'll remove it in a serving dish or serving plate. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. This is Jasri Kadai Kata English. See you in the next episode of with another recipe. Bye bye for now.